Hapa mnaanza kutufundisha sasa. Si mtugawe ama sabuni?
Tutazigawa kesho
na makaska.
Kesho tutazibagawia. Kesho tutawagawia.
Mkijua kwanza kunana kujiprotege tutawagawia.
Basi.
Ya muhimu kwanza watu waelewe. Hatutawagawia tu, kuna mwingine ataenda weka
dawa. Mufate kule, wewe uko na mbirika. Mufate. Steve. Tishota maji umo kamate nani? Sabuni mao utembee. Usikali, fata watu kule kwa bako. Ndio maana tuleta hizo majaki.
na kengine kale kakutoile kabisa, hata umalize madakika uchafu au tembeo corona ta
My name is Zawadi Kaneneka. I'm the refugees of Dzaleka Refugee Camp in Malawi. We are a small organization called Africa is My Blood. Our mission is to protect the children and the women and the grandfather, but we see the world is attacked by COVID-19. We are the volunteer who need to protect the people about COVID-19. You see, like the people is watching the hands on the way, wash the people, the hands every 30 minutes. We are here on markets and the entrance of the camp, and it's difficult to get the water to the water pump and to the river. Like you see, we are the volunteer. If we can get the head like donation or someone who needs to help us. You see, this is the marketplace. We can give the people the small buckets and the soap, because here on market, not the water public to the people. You can watch the hands who is pass. So we need someone, if he can help us to put these things here on our small market to the camp. This is to help the people, because we can't help everyone. Here on Dzaleka Refugee Camp, 40,000 the people who live here in Dzaleka Refugee Camp. For this time, we are the volunteer who need to protect the people about COVID-19 and to teach them how he can protect himself about COVID-19, because more people don't know how to wash the hands. So we teach them how you can wash the hands. We need to understand the people, because more people don't accept if the coronavirus exists and is not great. If the coronavirus can kill the people, to teach and to help the grandfather. The grandfather here in Dzaleka don't have the access to go out and house, and is don't have the bucket to wash the hands, or the visitors come to visit them to wash the hands. So we need to help the grandfather, because this coronavirus is attack the grandfather.
Brother. Hii ya kuua hiyo mavituki.
Corona itafika. Kisha tukuna
Mzee.
Oh, should I take this one?
Yes, no,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Zikom.
My name is Jano Masoga. I'm volunteer in Africa is My Blood. How we can fight the COVID-19 here in Dzaleka Refugee Camp. We are the volunteer. We need to help the people, because some people is come at home is not wash their hands, and is come just is around. That is why we put in the bucket and the water here on the way to help them to watching and the soap. We help the people, we fight to get the water and the small soap to watch the people the hands and the people think this is what we do. It is to help them to wash their hands to protect the COVID-19.
Mai nayo inasaidia katika mikononi kufuatana na nini? Kwa maana pale ndio kwenye hiyo ugonjwa iko inaanzia kukia.
Mange maji. Mafuta.
Dada weka maji.
Weke maji wewe. Weke maji asante.
Zikomo hii mafuta hii. Merci. Sasa utakia saa ngapi? Saa 11 tulisema. Kisha nao kamata saa 1.
Achana na ule mnani ule. Ulinaosha ule.
Ende na chamba.
Chakula mkono saa hii usiteke pale.
Ende na kwa yu. Steven.
Ongeza maji.
Tunaosha. Jaje mimi naosha.
Kamata vile tu.
Au 20 cm. Nara tutakula.
Unaweza na shukuru tu branche gra.
Karibu.
Naitwa Steve Benoit Maruba.
My name is Steve Benoit Maruba Birole. This work what we do to wash the people the hands. We do it to protect the people about COVID-19.
Ugonjwa ambao hauna dawa, lakini ili kujikinga
The virus who attack the world, and this virus don't have the antivirus.
Jina langu mimi naitwa Fura.
My name is Fura, and the work I'm doing is to wash the people the hands, and see the people is like this work, but we don't have the support, and the people is need that every time, but we going to try to do every time, to watching the people the hands every day. The number of the refugees live here in Zaleka refugee camp in Malawi is 40,000. We are not able to help everyone because the water, we don't have enough water, and the water pump, it is small water pump working on 40 water pump, like it is 25 working. Another was breaking. The organization like Plan Malawi, UNHCR is in confinement to protect himself about COVID-19. If someone needs to help us, we have our website. If you need to put something on our website, you can join our website and donate something. Thank you.